Hey guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps. Welcome back, episode 32 of Wrapped Up Weekly. I have to stand like this. This is my second take of this, so it's going to sound ridiculous. To stand like this because our talented media guy needs all the help he can get to blur out all the background stuff behind me. Because unfortunately I can't really show you any of it. None of those cars. So if we walk over this way a little bit, I can start giving you a tour of the cars that I'm allowed to show you this week. All right, now I'm allowed to move my arms and do all that crazy stuff. To start this week, we'll talk about the McLaren 650s. This one is in for a full color change. It's pretty much completely torn down now, so it's had a full disassembly. We're going bright yellow. So erasing all the black, going bright yellow. The metallic gray parts that are on there currently will remain, and we're going to also do a stripe that utilizes a similar color gray. Just tie it all together, give it a cool look. Let us know what you think about that one. Gloss yellow McLaren 650s. That's a cool one. To my right, we have GLE, I believe it is. This one, I'm pretty sure is in for a chrome delete. Now, how much of this chrome we are deleting, I'm actually not sure yet. But if it's all of it, it's a big job. Anyway, that's that one. Pretty much the last thing that I'm allowed to show you is this Hyundai Veloster here. Blur, blur, blur. There's some stuff there you're not allowed to see either. Gloss carbon bonnet. Very simple, very straightforward. Printed gloss carbon bonnet. Before I forget, big thanks to everyone who came out for Japnats at Queensland Raceway last Saturday. Excellent turnout. I think we ended up with about 35 entrants in the show and shine. Obviously 3 great winning entries there. Keep your eye out for our big photo drops that are going to come up with all the media from the event. We'll have some video and a few other things. Let us know what you think. Now we'll give you a bit of B-roll of the cars that have come and gone this week. Hopefully some of those we can show you. So here's a quick look.
Whoa, whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They want to see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They trying to block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city.
That about wraps it up for this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Before I go, also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube and keep an eye out for the video that's dropping shortly on the Porsche Taycan, the first of the 2 that we did not so long ago, white one. Very cool video coming up soon on paint protection film and various XPEL products, so keep an eye out for that. Other than that, see you next week.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They want to see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They trying to block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole